In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link data between sheets in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic feature that makes managing data across multiple sheets within the same spreadsheet file incredibly efficient and seamless. Whether you're consolidating information, creating summaries, or just keeping your sheets in sync, linking data will save you a lot of time. To start, make sure you have your two sheets ready within a single Google spreadsheet file. It's important that both sheets are included in the same file because we will be linking cells directly between them. Once you've got that set up, we can move on to the linking process. There are two simple methods to link data between sheets, and you can choose the one that suits you best. The first method involves using your mouse. Begin by selecting the cell in the first sheet where you want the data from the other sheet to appear. Type an equal sign in this cell. This equal sign indicates to Google Sheets that you're about to insert a formula or link. Next, navigate to the sheet that contains the data you want to link. Simply click on the specific cell that holds this data. After clicking, press Enter. This action creates a direct link between the two cells. Now, whenever there's a change in this original cell, it will automatically reflect in the linked cell. Alternatively, if you prefer to type the link manually, here's how to do it. Again, start by typing an equal sign in the cell where you want to display the linked data. Following the equal sign, type an apostrophe and then the exact name of the sheet you want to link from. Don't forget to close the sheet name with another apostrophe. Immediately after, add an exclamation mark. This is crucial as it tells Google Sheets you're specifying a cell reference. Finally, type the cell location, like A3 for example. Once you've completed this, hit Enter. Just like that, you have successfully linked the data between the two sheets. Both methods achieve the same result. It really comes down to which you find more straightforward or convenient. With either approach, anytime you update the data in the original cell, these changes will instantly be updated in the cell you've linked it to, ensuring your sheets remain consistent and up to date without needing to manually input data multiple times. So whether you're working with a personal project, a team collaboration, or simply trying to keep things organized, linking data across sheets in Google Sheets can greatly enhance your efficiency and accuracy. Give it a try and see how it can streamline your data management tasks.